How to change Gmail profile picture on Android. So if you want to change your Gmail profile picture, first of all you have to open up your Gmail application. After opening your Gmail application, tap on the profile and then tap on your profile which shows camera on it. So after tapping on your profile, tap on add profile picture. So after tapping on add profile picture, choose a picture which you would like to add. So you can choose your pictures from Google Photos, Device Photos or Illustrates. So I'm choosing a picture from Illustrates. You can also choose your photos from Google Photos or in your device photos. After choosing a photo, after choosing a photo, tap on Save as Profile Picture. So after tapping on Save as Profile Picture, your profile picture will be changed. So this is how you change your profile picture on Gmail. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.